The tropical mockingbird is a medium-sized songbird with a long tail and a small head, a long thin bill with a slight downward curve. Their wings are short, making their tail seem particularly long in flight, and they have long legs. They appear grayish-brown overall with a paler breast and belly, with 2 white wing bars on each wing. Tropical mockingbirds can be found in towns, in your own backyard, around the edges of forests, and in open land. They eat mainly insects, worms, and moths, but can be found eating a wide variety of fruits and berries. They sing constantly and have the ability to mimic numerous other birds, singing 10 to 15 different songs at any time.